What you gonna talk about?
We're gonna talk about her funny face and that's funny face.
Okay.
So today, what? I don't know, but today we're gonna see her funny face. Oops, Soran-chan fell. And today we have Soran-chan. I'm gonna tell you. Hi, Soran-chan. So today we gonna see her funny face now.
Oh, Ayame, you lost your tooth?
Yeah, I lose my tooth 4.
Okay.
And my 2 friends lose 6.
Ah, 6 teeth?
Yeah.
Ena, you haven't lost any tooth yet.
Yeah, she's just 3 years old and I'm already 6.
So this is the end of year 2020. Let's talk about what did you do this year? We went to lots of places.
Yeah.
Where did we go?
First we go to what?
We went to the snow mountain.
Yeah, Snow Mountain.
We went to Shinhotaka
Yeah, and
and Hirayu Onsen.
Yeah.
It was snowing.
Yeah, because we go to Snow Mountain.
Then
And we stay 4 or 3 days.
yes, we stayed there for 3 days.
Yeah. It was so fun.
Okay. Then after Snow Mountain, where else we went? What did we do on the spring?
Oh, spring?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, by the way.
So spring, what do you have in spring?
You have a lot of cherry blossoms.
So we went on a walk
Yeah, and
to see the cherry blossom.
yeah, but it was a lot.
Yes, our hometown is famous for cherry blossom.
Yeah, this one
Then, so we went on a walk to see the cherry blossom. Do you remember? We went
Yeah.
to the walk,
Yeah, you can.
and that's what we did in spring. So
Yeah.
then in summertime,
Summer.
you have to. Why are you crying, Ena? You pretend crying.
Maybe she's sleepy.
Mm.
She's very sleepy.
Okay, so let's talk about the summertime. We went hiking, ne?
Yeah.
So where did we go?
We go.
So we went hiking.
Yeah.
We went to Kuragari Toge and we went to the swimming.
Yeah.
Then
We go. Yeah. We Anna walked 5 kilometers and I walked 10 kilometers.
during the autumn fall, do you remember where we went?
We go camping.
Yes, we went camping in the mountain in autumn. Ne?
I love you, everyone.
We only spent one night.
Yeah.
Then what did we do? We were there in the morning.
Yeah, on the mountain.
Yes. Then
Then we get some food and eat.
yes, we cook some food and eat. Ne?
Yeah.
Katsukun bought something. We went to see something. What did we went to see?
Camping car.
Yay!
It's gonna be 3 years.
3 months. We placed an order last month, so it's 2 months.
When
In
is
2
2
months,
Two.
we gonna get camping car.
Yay! Hey, it's almost.
Yes.
1 month, then 2 months, and
Yes, in 2021, Papa is going to get the camping car. Yeah.
yay!
What did I?
Oh, can you wait? I don't know.
Okay. So, ne, at the YokosoNews, we gonna go drive the camping car then we're gonna introduce about the camping car, how we got the camping, how we select.
Yeah,
What camping car is available in Japan and what we chose.
And we are, the size is this size.
Yeah.
From here
It's
to
the
here.
van.
Van.
It's Toyota
very big.
Hiace
It's very big.
camping car.
Here from here.
Yeah.
Here from.
No, that's actually bigger than that. But yeah, so we once we get the camping car, we gonna show. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then-
Maybe it's like this here from here.
Yeah.
That size?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yes.
Like house.
Yes, it's like a house. Yes.
It
So
looks like a house, but no bathroom.
yes, there's no bathroom.
And a
toilet.
bath.
Yes, no bath.
Uh,
But it's okay. Japan has so many super sento, like a hot spring, and then also Michinoeki roadside station, which has a really clean bathroom and stuff.
not. Yeah.
Our camping car has a sink, and then we have a portable gas burner, so we bring it so we can actually cook in the car too. Yeah. So we are busy all the time.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's really hard to make a reservation
Yeah.
in a hotel, arrange the train. We're gonna get the camping car. We're gonna show more about Japan next year.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna talk about Japan more, ne?
Yeah. Oh, we can speak Japanese.
Oh, so maybe you do a Japanese lesson. You want to do a Japanese lesson in 2021, maybe?
Yeah.
You're gonna show Aiweo, maybe?
Yeah.
Ne? Yes.
Okay,
You
so.
can- Nani nu ne no. Ayame, you have to teach Ena how to say Aiweo properly to your sister, ne?
かきくけこなにぬねのまみむねもやゆよやらりるれろわおん
In 2021, we're gonna have new camping car.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna travel around Japan more. I hope the COVID-19 stuff is getting more settled so we can travel more.
Yeah,
And we're gonna introduce more about Japan. Ne?
yeah. Bye, Samuka. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Have a nice day.
Have a happy new year.
Have a happy new year.
2021.
2021.